Oh na 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 na. Bamba. Oh na 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 na. Bamba. Oh na 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 na. Bamba. Oh na 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 na. Big it up. Oh na 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 na. Big it up. Oh na 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 na. Bamba. Bamba 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 day. Bamba 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 day. Bamba 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 day.
Welcome to Home and Away Jamaica, created to inspire you to live your dream life in the land we love. I'm Michelle Demore, British born, but I migrated from London to Jamaica to free myself from the rat race and live a better quality of life and create the lifestyle I always desired. While living here on the Rock, I recognized the need to assist those returning home, so I created this platform to strengthen the connection between Jamaica and the diaspora and provide a reputable service for those migrating or building a home in Jamaica. As I passionately promote Jamaica as a place to live, work and invest, we now present to you Home and Away Jamaica Real Estate TV, connecting you with experts within the industry so you can get all the advice and info you need to help you save time, money and hassle. So stay tuned, we're here to help you make your dreams come to reality. Remember to visit homeandawayjamaica.com.
Hello, everyone. I'm Robert Taylor, one of the co-hosts of Home and Away Jamaica. I wanted to introduce myself to you today and just give you a little background about who I am, what my passion is, and some of what we do at Taylor Law Jamaica, where I am the founding attorney and senior partner. Taylor Law was incorporated in 2008, and on entering practice, we had a very specific goal to innovate the way law is practiced in Jamaica. Prior to coming to practice as a sole practitioner, I was a vice president at Citibank Jamaica and had been involved in commercial and capital markets transactions. With that experience, I had a number of dealings with other attorneys and counsel. And one of the things that struck me was the inaccessibility that clients had to attorneys. There seemed to have been this aura and this, somehow mantle of inaccessibility that I wanted to change. Also studying law in the UK, I also saw where the legal profession was actually segmented and many of the products or services were commoditized. And my view was that the practice of conveyancing, the purchase and selling of real estate, was one of those services that could be broken down, really simplified, so that the purchaser or seller could have fairly easy access to an attorney, have fairly simplified understanding of the home or home selling process. So when we started out, that was one of our main objectives, to be accessible and also be able to simplify the process and also engender a sense of trust, integrity in what we do. And so why real estate? For me growing up, my parents, for whatever reason, never had it as our priority to own a home. In fact, we journeyed away from Kingston for a job opportunity my father had in Montego Bay. And with that job, it required constant movement. So we never really had the opportunity to be anchored with our own home. And that's something that I didn't recognize was important until I grew much older and had my own family. I recognized the importance of having and owning your own home and establishing that platform of security for family members. And so that's one of my reasons why I'm very impassioned about seeing people have the opportunity to get into their own homes. Outside of that, I have an investment banking background. I also have an MBA in business. I have an undergraduate degree in business. And so I also understand the importance of wealth accumulation. And one of the time-tested ways of accumulating wealth is through the ownership of real estate. So not only is my passion and interest in seeing persons acquire their first home, but it also involves actually seeing persons have the ability to acquire wealth, whether it's by a second home or investing in commercial real estate. My background in banking and as well as my practice in conveyancing, I believe has given Taylor Law Jamaica a unique position in dealing with a number of both commercial and real estate issues that overlap. And over time, we have been able to establish level of experience and expertise in the market. We have deliberately determined the importance of focusing on very few areas in the law so that we can focus on our clients and focus and develop a strong know-how in what we do. So if you contact us, you won't find that we are in court. We are here dealing with our conveyance practice and developing our knowledge and depth in the real estate market. And that strategy has worked well for us. So after just a few years of starting out as a solo or sole practitioner, our practice evolved and grew. We're now a practice of 3 attorneys and 3 paralegals. We have a fairly deep experience in representing purchasers and sellers. We also represent a number of developers who are well known and entrenched in the market in Jamaica on the affordable housing side, the middle income side, as well as commercial development. So that experience has given us the ability to speak on a number of issues, and we see ourselves as problem solvers. So what you can expect on this program is, as attorneys, we will be giving you information that you'll find useful. We'll be answering some of the common questions and addressing some of the common issues and concerns that we found in our practice or that you may raise. We also understand the importance of trust and integrity, and that's also something we will speak to, recognizing that persons doing business from a foreign country, being geographically detached, can also have issues of anxiety. So we plan to bring all this information to you, address your problems when it comes to relocation, home buying. I will also bring to you the experience having sat and sit on a number of boards. I sit on the boards of financial institutions. I'm also on the board of the local planning agency that's responsible for granting building approval. So I look forward to this experience with Home and Away Jamaica, and really looking forward to solving some of your problems and making the home buying process, as well as also encouraging the wealth acquisition opportunities that investing in Jamaica may offer. Thank you, and I look forward to having a very meaningful exchange in this program, Home and Away Jamaica.
Hi, my name is Paulette Price. I have been in real estate in Jamaica for the last 11 years. My interest in real estate probably started way back when I was a young child and I saw my aunt buy a property in the UK. Back in those days, women could not buy a house on their own. They had to buy with a male, whether it's a family member or a husband. And to me, she was quite a strong person anyway. And I decided that, hey, I probably can buy a house when I become an adult. I eventually bought my first property at the age of 23, but I think my real interest came about before I arrived in Jamaica in 2007. I used to buy and sell properties. And I really enjoyed that thing about understanding the different areas of the country, why people bought in certain areas versus other areas, why would you buy a house versus an apartment. Eventually, when I came to Jamaica in 2007, I was actually meant to be here to do a project for some developers in the UK who decided, eventually the funders decided that they were no longer going to go ahead with it due to the worldwide recession that started about 2007, 2008. So in 2009, anyway, I decided I'm going to get my license, because in Jamaica, you do have to have a license to operate as a real estate agent. I am so passionate about real estate. And one of the reasons why I love what I do is because it's given me the opportunity to travel all over the island. So even though my office is based in Kingston, I tend to have listings all over the country. And it's fabulous. You see all kinds of things. You can be driving down a dirt track, and when you get to the end of that dirt track, when it opens up, you just find an amazing view, or you see amazing houses. The people on the island, oh my God, they're just so fabulous. You get lost. As long as you talk to people, hi, you say, hi, my name is, I'm looking for, and they always ask you, what's the name of the person you're looking for? So basically, it's like you're part of that community, and they tend to know everybody in the community. So that's one of the things I love about my job. But what I also love about what I do is I am passionate about working with the diaspora, because I understand what it's like coming to another country and learning the new systems. So it's not the same buying a property in Jamaica or any other country. So I love that part of it, where I can make it clear how to do it and basically just hold their hands. So one of the things I do, well, the areas that I work in is sales, rentals. It can be an apartment, it can be a house, it can be land, it can be commercial. So basically, I have a wide gamut of experience when it comes to working in real estate. Over the last couple of years, we've done things in the diaspora. Hence the reason why this program, Home and Away, is going to be the ideal program to assist those who are abroad and want to buy at home. And we will be holding your hand during the transition period. Becoming a real estate broker, I've also wanted to give people a little bit more variety. So one of the other areas that we will cover is landlord property management. But we've been talking about so many things. You're going to feel so at home, even though you're away. Home and Away Jamaica. That's what we're about.
Hi, I'm Carla Henry, Managing Director for Lead Mortgage Brokers. We are a 2-plus-year-old company. We have over 20 years experience in mortgages. I was a mortgage broker on my own before. Now I've created this business so that I can get to serve more people just like you into owning your own home if it's your first home or your investment property. We specialize in residential, land, and commercial properties. Currently, we have contracted with several banks in Jamaica, so we do pretty much a one-stop shop for our clients. It sort of kind of alleviates you from having to go all to different institutions to figure out which one works best for you and which one you can qualify with. We simplify the process. We are very transparent. We stay with you, literally hold your hand the entire journey of the application, and in some cases straight through to the closing of the transaction. We are a full service mortgage brokerage, and currently it's at no cost to you, to anyone. So that's one thing that you don't have to worry about as in a cost, because this process can be very costly and very time consuming and very cumbersome at times because of all of the nuances and the paperwork that's involved in getting this loan done. If you choose to work with Lead Mortgages, I want you will have the best experience ever, and also we will be able to guide you through the whole process, which upfront I need to say that it's completely different than probably what you have experienced in buying your home in your country. Buying a home in Jamaica is just, it can be very cumbersome, as I said before, and I want you to look at it as a new experience and not to compare it to what you're exposed to. Also, we don't have that part where in some countries the sellers, or what we call the vendor, will contribute to your closing costs or absorb some of your closing costs or absorb all of your closing costs. You are responsible for all of your closing costs in this transaction. And usually that cost has to be paid upfront and not at the back end of the transaction. So I need you to be very mindful of that when choosing to do a mortgage in Jamaica. With that being said, we are really all about meeting our clients in a timely manner, solving their problems in a timely manner. You can reach us usually, if it's not via the phone, through WhatsApp, through emails. We're pretty prompt at responding to all our customers. So you will feel like you matter because you do matter to us. And that's Lead Mortgages in a nutshell.
Oh na 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 na, bamba. Oh na 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 na